Good morning, students. Myself, Reena Tripathi, B.Ed third semester, RKG Educational College, Omik City, Lucknow. Subject English, Class 6. Today we learn about the disaster management. Definition of disaster. A disaster can be defined as any occurrence that cause damage, ecological disruption, loss of human life, deterioration of health and health services on a scale sufficient to warrant an extraordinary response from outside the affected community or area. According to WHO, a disaster can be defined as an occurrence either either nature or man-made that causes human suffering and creates human needs that victims cannot all alleviate without assistance. According to American Red Cross, disaster nursing. Disaster, as defined by the United Nations, is a serious disruption of the functioning of a community or society, which involve widespread human, material, economic, or environmental impacts that exceed the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. Disaster management is how we deal with the human, material, economic, or environmental impact of said disaster. It is the process of how we prepare for, respond to, and learn from the effects of major failures. Though often caused by nature, disasters can have human origins, according to the International Federation of Red Cross and Red uh, Crescent Societies. A disaster occurs when a hazard impacts on when vulnerable people. The combination of hazards, vulnerability, and inability to reduce the potential negative consequences of risk results in disaster. Disaster nursing. It can be defined as the adoption of professional nursing skill in recognizing as meeting the nursing, physical and emotional needs resulting from a disaster. Types of disaster. Natural disaster and man-made disaster. Na- Natural disasters, meteorological, meteorological, topographical, environmental, man-made disasters, technological, industrial accidents, security related. Characteristics of disasters: predictability, controllability, speed of onset, length of forewarning, duration of impact, scope and intensity of impact. Phases of disaster: pre-impact phase, impact phase, Post-impact phase. What is disaster management? Disaster management, which is also known as emergency management, can be defined as dealing with and avoiding both natural and man-made disasters. Disasters management involves preparedness before disaster, rebuilding and supporting society after natural disasters such as earthquake, drought, tsunami, etc. In India, there are many areas which are often affected with natural calamity or man-made disasters. They have become top priority for the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Principles of disaster management. Disaster management is the responsibility of all spheres of government. Disaster management should use resources that exist for a day-to-day purpose. Organizations should function as an extension of their core business. Individuals are responsible for their own safety. Disaster management planning should focus on large scale events. Disaster management planning should recognize the difference between incidents and disasters. Disaster management operational arrangements are additional to and do not replace incident management operational arrangements. Disaster management planning must take account of the type of physical environment and the structure of the population. Disaster management arrangements must recognize the involvement and potential role of non-government agencies. Phases of disaster management. Disaster Phases of disaster management. Disaster preparedness, disaster impact, disaster response, rehabilitation, disaster mitigation. Disaster preparedness. Preparedness should be in the form of money, manpower, and materials. Evaluation from past experience about risk, location of disaster prone areas, organization of communication, information, and warning system, ensuring coordination and response mechanisms, development of public education programs, coordination with media, national and international relations, keeping stock of food, drugs, and other essential commodities. Example: Indian Meteorological Department plays a key role in forewarning the disaster of cyclone storm by detection tracing. It has 5 centers in Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, and Mumbai. In addition, there are 31 special observation posts set up along the east coast of India. The international agencies which provides humanitarian assistance to the disaster strike areas are United Nations agencies. Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian, Human, Humanitarian Affairs, World Health Organization, UNICEF, World Food Program, Food and Agricultural Organization, uh, example, non-governmental organization, Cooperative American Relief Everywhere, International Committee of Red Cross, International Committee of Red Cross. Disaster impact, search, rescue, and first aid, field care, triage, tagging, tagging, identification of dead, triage, golden hour, immediate of high priority, delayed or medium priority, minimal or minimum or ambulatory patients, ex- expectant or least priority color code. Disaster response, epidemiologic surveillance and disease control, vaccination, nutrition. Rehabilitation phase, water supply, food safety, basic sanitization, and personal hygiene, housing. Disaster mitigation. This involves lessening the likely effects of emergencies. These include, depending upon the disaster, protection of vulnerable population and structure. For example, improving structural qualities of school, houses, and such other buildings so that uh, cas- medical casualties can be minimized. Similarly, ensuring the safety of health facilities and public health services, including water supply and sewerage system, to reduce the cost of rehabilitation and reconstruction. This mitigation complements the disaster preparedness and disaster response activities. Disaster management cycle. Disaster impact, response, rehabilitation, reconstruction, mitigation, preparedness. Disaster effects, death, disability, increase in communicable disease, psychological problems, food shortage, socioeconomic losses, shortage of drugs and medical supplies, environmental disruption. Disaster drill. A disaster drill is an exercise in which people simulate the circumstances of a disaster so that they have an opportunity to practice their response. Role of nurse in disaster management. Disaster prepared disaster preparedness to facilitate preparation with community to provide updated record of vulnerable populations within community. Nurse lead a preparedness effort. Nurse play multi roles in community. Nurse should have understanding of community resources. Disaster nurse must be involved in community organization. Disaster response. Nurse must involve in community assessment once workers begin to arrive at the scene. Immediate plans for triage should begin. Nurse work a member of assessment team to be involved in ongoing surveillance. Disaster recovery, successful recovery, preparation, be vigilant in health, teaching, psychological support, referrals to hospital, and needed remain alert for environmental health. Nurse must be attentive to the danger. The conclusion of your disaster management plan re- retards the silent points and provides actionable takeaways. Start your conclusion by reminding the reader of the goal of your disaster management plan. The topic of international security and disaster management are diverse and also important for both the prelims and the mains. Natural and natural and man-made disasters can have a distressing impact on small businesses, which is why it's critical to have a disaster management strategy in place. The conclusion of your disaster management plan reiterates the salient points and provides actionable takeaway. Thank you.